real estate agent today to show any homes for any reason. You should be. This is the day you work on your business. If you don't have another screen, go buy one so you can be playing the 5-hour express offers on the other screen over here, right? No reason to leave your house on Mondays. You would go over there with an offer. You never show up to a listing appointment if you work at EXP without an offer in your hand. We go bearing gifts. It's like coming to your house. If I'm coming to your house, if I know you drink wine, I'm bringing you a bottle of wine. If I know you drink whiskey, I'm going to bring you a bottle of whiskey. That's the way my daddy and mama raised me. When we go to a seller's house, we bring them an offer. Oh my God, I got goosebumps. 2022 going to be off the chain. Okay, all right, got that. All right, so if Simone upstairs tells me a price that I know that I could sell her house, I say the same thing every time. We can definitely get your house sold. Oh, I got a buyer for you. If she said, if my price was 275 or right around there, if she said 400 and her house was 275 based on me researching the value, I go, how'd you come up with that number, Simone? It's awesome. How'd you come up with that number?
Oh, because we've lived here forever, and I've got these trees in the back, and there's just like a lot of sentimental value.
Right.
And we did all the woodworking ourselves.
Sounds amazing. Fabulous. Now, this is what I know. We're in the top of Simone's stairs. She showed me the bedrooms and da 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 da. I know now that Simone is unrealistic, or she's, based on what she said, those things have $125,000 worth of value. Now, I know when I get back downstairs and I share with her the numbers on what the house might be worth, right? I'm going to be able to show her the real numbers. But if she says 275, oh yeah, I definitely got to buy for this house. So let's get past this. What is the purpose of you going over there in the first place? The purpose of you going over there in the first place is to say, hey, Simone, would it be okay if next Saturday or Sunday from 1 to 2 that I brought 10 to 15 buyers over here and just showed the house all at one time to see if we can get you a buyer?
Absolutely. That'd be phenomenal.
All right, great. And remember, I told you I'm not here to list your home. Is that okay with you?
That's okay.
I don't want to sign a contract with you to sell your home or anything like that. Is that okay?
How are you going to get paid?
Oh, don't worry. When we sell the house, are you willing to pay a commission that's fair for you, that's fair for me to get the house up?
I mean, if we can get the price that I'm looking for,
Okay, great. No
I'll
problem.
consider it.
Right. So as long as you got 275 or somewhere around, 275 or better, then you'd be willing to pay a commission.
Yeah, I'd be willing.
Okay, awesome. No problem. So I have this form here. This just authorizes me to show your home unlisted because I'm not listing it. But I'm going to market your home for the next 7 days. So I'm going to do a 1-hour open house at your residence to bring as many buyers by so you can get a buyer. So you can move on to whatever you want to do. Is that okay?
Now, are they calling me or are they going to call you?
They're going to all call me.
Okay.
Okay?
That
All right.
that sounds good.
Okay, fantastic.